Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to customize power and sleep settings for efficiently in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your control panel and go to hardware and sound. Now click on power options. Here you can see change plan settings. You have to click on it. Here you can customize your power and sleep settings for efficiently. You can fix your time as you want. After creating your plan settings, you have to click on Save Changes, or by clicking on Delete this plan, you can delete it. So this is how you can customize power and sleep settings for efficiently in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.